this is my closet. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future videos. Thumbs up if you like it. And if you're returning, as always, I so appreciate it. So today I have a little mumbo jumbo of boxes. There's a box out there called Globein, and everybody is unboxing them. They're great. They put coupons on there, and I don't know what I did when I ordered it, but I didn't order it correctly. So I only got this little box as opposed to the big box. So I will leave the correct information below so that this doesn't happen to you. But I've had this box like forever and I've just never opened it. So I am going to go ahead and open it. They're like a home lifestyle box. They have crafters that make all sorts of fun and unique products, and the money goes to the people that craft in different countries. So this one was handmade in India, and so I'm not going to read the whole card, but I guess this is who makes it, and then there's the card on the back, so when you receive yours, it will explain all that, who it comes from. And it looks like there's just one item in this box. They wrapped it so good it's hard to see. I have to adjust you. You guys are just tipping over. One of these days I'm going to figure out the best way to set up for filming. If any of you have any suggestions for the best way to film, let me know. I still, after all this time, cannot get the hang of things. So I kind of look crooked this way and I look crooked that way. So I apologize. So as usual, I am tearing apart this box. Oh, it's got newspaper on there. And it's a picture frame. Now this is beautiful. It's the back. You take out a picture and you can put a nice picture in there, and then you can hang it. I will definitely get use out of this. Oh, I'm starting to fidget. Get use out of this because I do have a lot of pictures from my kids' weddings and things like that. So it's got the name of, I'm not sure if it's the company or a person that made it, but that is beautiful. So I will leave the link. I know they have like hand-blown glass bowls and wine goblets. They have all sorts of items. It's hard for me to order it because I just don't have a lot of room to keep a lot of items. But it's definitely a great subscription to try. So my next thing that I have, and that I've had for a while, is by Beautylish. They had a Jeffree Starr sale, and I think this is going back a month. And I ordered some products from them. Sorry, I didn't unbox this one. And I'm pretty sure I remember what's in here, and don't ask me why I haven't opened it. When we come to Washington, we do a lot of traveling all over, I guess, through the mountains. They have the Seattle area that's a few hours away. So between all the traveling, I just don't have a whole lot of time to open up a lot of boxes. But don't ask me why, because Beautylish packs her products so nice, and this has the Jeffree Starr label on it. So let's get excited. Oh my god, and there's more. And in my box is this bundle and this bundle. I don't know how many of you use Jeffree Starr. I got hooked on it when they came out with the Blue Blood palette. I'm like, I have to have it. Don't know how to work it. I've had so many YouTubers that have done the Blue Blood look, and I've tried it, and it looks like I have a couple black eyes. But I love the palette. It's easy to work with. And this, I'm thinking might just be a gift, because it's Bioderm. I don't know what it is. It's this bottle. I don't know if it's a makeup remover. Yeah, it is Moisturizing Makeup Remover. And I don't think I ordered this, so I think this might be a gift. So how sweet is that? And here's my bundle. Can anybody guess what's in there? And again, I didn't even know that Jeffree Starr put items on sale. So when I got an email, I'm like, okay, I have to check it out. Sorry, they wrap it so well. The first thing I ordered was the banana powder. I've heard such great things about it. And I did get a banana powder. I think it was the Too Faced banana powder, Tarte banana powder, one of those. And I like it. I liked it. And but this seemed like it would have a little bit more coverage than the other one I bought. And I believe it was on sale. I think it was like $22. And I can't wait to use that. And the other sweetie pie that I got is the Blood Sugar palette. Of course, you know, I'm still trying to get used to the Blue Blood. So now I'm going to go back, and I've seen a lot because the Blood Sugar's been out for a while. I want to say it normally retails for like $52. And I think I paid $39. Excuse me. It's still very dry in here. And look at this little beauty. So the packaging alone, you can just put on your dresser and never use it. But wait till you see the colors. Oh, beautiful. I liked it because of the top row and this bottom row. Great fall colors, and the browns go with my eyes. I doubt I will ever use that pink one or the purple one, but you never know. But I just thought this was a beautiful palette, and for $39 for a Jeffree Starr palette, I couldn't turn it down. So let me know what you think of my little mini haul. If you guys have videos where you use the Blood Sugar, please let me know so that I can watch and start practicing. So this was my little thing. Definitely check out the Globein. And you guys just have an awesome day.